The day hasn't even begun, and already the battle has started. Will we take command of our own minds or surrender to emotion? Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." That isn't just a quote, it's a challenge. So when anger rises, pause. When fear stirs, breathe. Because real control is quiet, invisible, and unbeatable. Seneca reminded us, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. So we stop feeding fear and start forging discipline. Morning breaks, the city awakens, and we move, calm, focused, unshaken. Mastery of the world begins here, in the stillness before the noise.